Hello, hi, what's up, you guys? Today I'm going to cook butter prawns, and this is my first attempt to cook this recipe. Wish me luck. So guys, before that, I'm going to prepare the prawn itself, and I'm using just three ingredients here, which is salt, turmeric powder, and a little bit of curry powder. And we're going to mix it together. Let it sit for maybe 15 minutes or so. Alright guys, after at least 30 minutes, it's time for me to fry the prawns. Not fully cooked, but half cooked. And now I'm going to prepare the sauce.